Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to trade on Binance mobile app, that the sports trading. So first of all, you need to have the Binance mobile app installed in your mobile phone. If you don't have it installed, you move down to Play Store. Here, then you type Binance. Oh, it's here already. You click it. This is the app. It's installed already in my mobile phone, so there is no need taking you through that process. Just click on it, you download, sign up, and verify with your email. Once your account is verified, you're good to go. So I'll move straight to the trading part. Since I have the app already installed in my mobile phone, as you can see at the top right of my screen, you click on it. This is the home page. This is how it looks like. Here you can do a lot of things. You can make deposits, you can transfer fund, convert, and do a lot more. But here, if you don't have coins already and you're Binance or you are new to it, you simply click deposit. You can choose any coin you want to buy. Let's say you want to buy you want to deposit BTC. You click on BTC and your address will show up. Once your address is up, you copy and send to whoever that is sending coins to you. Once the coins reflect in your account, then you're good to go. So here I'll take you straight to the trading part. As you can see below my screen, you can see the home page, the markets, the trades, the features, and the wallet. The home page is where we are right now. Then the markets are available tokens. You can buy from or sell. The trade is the trade list history of your trading. The feature is for advanced people. I will take you on this, but maybe in our next video. So this is my wallet. These are available tokens that you can trade on. As you can see, my balance is up here, though it's hidden purposely for security reasons. I have to hide it from you guys. But once you deposit some fund into this wallet, this is where it's gonna reflect up here. So now let's say